In this video, I'll show you exactly how to answer Part 1 cue card and follow-up questions in IELTS speaking. First, let's look at Part 1 question. Part 1 question is comparatively easier because here you need to answer this question only using 2 to 3 sentences. Imagine the question given to you is, do you enjoy reading books? You can start by paraphrasing the question. You can say something like, I like reading books. Instead of saying I enjoy reading books, you can say I like reading books, especially fiction. I usually try to read books before going to bed because it helps me relax and it helps me fall asleep faster. So here you only need to answer using 2 to 3 sentences, but if you want, you can also add a mini conclusion. You can say something like, I believe reading is very important because it helps us improve our imagination and knowledge. Now let's look at the cue cards. In cue cards, you'll be given a question. You'll also be given 1 minute to prepare and you'll have to speak for 2 minutes continuously without any breaks. If you break in between, you will lose marks for fluency. It's very important that you speak continuously for 2 minutes. So the strategy you can follow is when you're given a question, try to connect it with your real life and build a storyline using the cue cards, using the cues given to you. So, how do you build a storyline using the cues given to you? It's completely up to you. You can use your imagination. You can order it, put it in order, and you can speak for 2 minutes. Imagine the question given to you is, describe a memorable trip you had. When such a question is asked, first try to connect it with your real life. Try to think of a memorable trip you had. Then try to make a storyline based on the cues given to you. It's not compulsory that you have to answer all the cues, but it would be better if you answer all the cues because it will help you speak for 2 minutes. I would say while practicing, make sure that you practice speaking or saying 4 to 5 sentences for each of the cues because it will help you develop the content. And finally, let's look at Part 3, which is the follow-up questions. Most of the time, these follow-up questions are related to the Part 2 questions. So here, what happens is it's basically a discussion. So you have to answer using 3 to 4 sentences maybe. So the question here, imagine the question given to you is, why do people love to travel? You can answer it saying, people love to travel because it helps them relax and stay away from the busy schedules. Or if you want, you can add a mini conclusion as well. So this is how you answer a Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3 question in IELTS speaking. And one of the most important things that you have to keep in your mind is that stay calm. Many students mess up speaking because they get stressed and they forget what to say or what to be told. I hope that helps. Happy learning.
വിദേശ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസമാണോ നിങ്ങളുടെ ലക്ഷ്യം? IELTS ഈസിയായി ക്രാക്ക് ചെയ്യാം നീതൂസ് അക്കാഡമിയിലൂടെ.